here today to talk about the neuroscience of love because my PhD is in neuroscience from the University of Minnesota. That's a tough question because there's a lot of different types of connections that can be made. Love relies on trust, it relies on a belief, there's a reward system associated with trust, and there's also maybe some chemical and other cues that build into the attraction people have towards each other. Well, seeing the loved one obviously is coming into the brain through vision, and then the visual pathways send their signals to other parts of the brain. And love is very complex. It involves many different parts of the brain, and the pathways that I mentioned include cells of your body called neurons. And the neurons signal with each other by chemical neurotransmitters. And there's a number of signals that are used in the brain for love and recognition. Some you might have already heard about, dopamine and serotonin. These are two neurotransmitters that are associated with feeling good and a positive mood. And we know that when someone is associating with a loved one, that these two neurotransmitters are released at a higher concentration. There's also other hormones that the body releases. And so there's a neuroendocrine response that produces some of the body responses that you might experience when you are in love or see somebody you love. And these can also impact your brain and moods. If you're single and you're celebrating Valentine's Day, that is perfectly okay. Because love comes in so many different forms, you don't have to have a significant other to celebrate Valentine's Day. We can consider the love that simply loves being alive and loves the environment that they're in. That's enough to celebrate on Valentine's Day and every day.